I have been wanting a selfie stick for some of my videos. I just could not see buying something that I could make in 10 minutes or less for free. I started with a 4-foot piece of 1/2-inch PVC pipe, a 1/4-20 nylon bolt, and a 1/4-20 stainless steel nut. The camera mount I found at a yard sale. The PVC pipe was left over from other projects. I used a Harbor Freight automatic center punch to mark where I wanted to drill the 1/4-inch hole in the PVC pipe. I then used my drill press to drill a 1/4-inch hole 3/4 of an inch from one end of the pipe. I inserted the nylon bolt through the hole and used a pair of needle nose pliers to hold the stainless steel nut inside the pipe and screwed the bolt into the nut. I tightened the bolt in the nut so it compressed one side of the PVC pipe. The pressure of the PVC pipe against the nut keeps the bolt tight. I don't need to use tools when installing or removing the camera mount. I found that 4 foot was a bit long, so I cut the PVC pipe down to 30 inches. Testing my homemade selfie stick. Please check back with the On My Workbench channel for more videos on cool stuff. Please subscribe, like, comment, and click the little bell. And thanks from the On My Workbench channel.